Hey everyone, Design here with La Bichon. I would like to show you our model dogs. This particular one is the bichon. It is bigger than the poodle model dog or poodle mannequin or teddy bear mannequin. The structure is made in the shape of a bichon. So it's a round bichon head. It comes in a box with the legs that are detached, so you will need to assemble those. It comes with a tool to help to put it all together. The eyes are separate, the eyes and nose are separate, and it also comes with this wig. This wig only is suitable to the bichon. The bichon structure is much bigger, specifically for this mannequin. I would recommend to brush the fur first before you put it on the mannequin, just because it's easier this way, and I would recommend to brush it out every single part of it, and I'll show you how I do that. The bichon mannequin is very easy to assemble. Everything is pretty much self-explanatory. The front legs move forward and the back legs move forward and backwards. And the tail also comes in a package with the tools. Alright, let me open this. So we can assemble it. It is a little bit tricky to put the wig on the mannequin. I'll show you exactly how to do that. So it will be our little tutorial. Also, the fur itself doesn't have the holes for the nose and the eyes. You will have to have something sharp like a screwdriver, find the holes in the mannequin and then make the holes in the wig. All mannequins are pretty much made the same. The way how you put the fur on the mannequin is different than how you would put it on the poodle or teddy bear. But I'll show you how to do that. It can be tricky. Okay. Alright, put this away. The mannequin itself is pretty easy to assemble. Just going to assemble and put it all together. It comes with the screws. What? My real bichons over here are making a noise because they think this is a real dog, and it's not. They don't know that. Let me put it down here. Right? So we have to assemble it. Get a little closer. Alright. So this is the back leg. Screw in there. This comes with a tool. Okay, this screw is in. This was the back leg. Let me do the front. Here's the front. Make sure that's the right front. Don't forget the washer. This is the bichon mannequin, all assembled. It was very easy to assemble. Alright, perfect. Our mannequin is all set, all assembled. Now it's the time for the wig. The wig looks like this when it comes. It's not brushed out. You will need to brush out before you put it on the mannequin. I would recommend to brush it out before you put it on the mannequin. It's just easier this way to make sure that everything is brushed out properly. I would recommend universal brush. This is that bichon universal brush to brush out this puppy. So you want to start from the liner and just brush piece by piece, part by part, inch by inch, basically doing line brushing on this puppy. That's very important to brush this puppy all the way from inside out, from the roots out to the tips for the better finished look. It does matter because the haircut will depend on how well you brush it out. Okay, so, and this brush is perfect for this. It brushes out very easily. So this is La Bichon universal brush. Alright, I'll keep brushing and I'll later show you. I'll show you how it looks when I finish. Okie dokie, our mannequin is ready. I brushed out the wig. This is how it looks brushed out. Now the tricky part here is to put it on. So this particular one, the bichon only, I'm going to start from the head. So take your hand, put it inside, find the head. So this is the head and this is the muzzle. The funny thing is, you want to start with the head, but you want to do it backwards, like not putting it on this way, not straight forward, but other way around. Lift it up, find the hole and put it right on the head. Have some support. And then start turning the head around. I mean, not the head, but the fur. To put it into a straightforward position. Here you go. And the head is in. Now the next step will be putting the front legs into the fur. Bring the front legs up like this. Not all the way up, just up like this. See? And then we're going to put it under the fur. Up and into these holes. Same here. Up and under. So we want these legs to go in. Pull it through. See, I am holding the dog on the back. I flipped the dog, put it on the back. Now we want to pull through the feet. Pull through another foot, then we can bring it up. So our front is ready. Next step is to do the back legs. We want to bring the back legs all the way up under the fur. all the way behind, under the fur. Put it under and into the leg holes. Just like this. Here you go. Make sure that the legs are in. Pull through the feet. Here's one foot. Here's another foot. Somewhere. Here you go. Now what you have to do now is to pull these legs down. Here you go. Here is your model dog. On the belly over here, there are buttons that you will need to button up. Okay, so just to go over it, start with the head, not the forward, but turn the wig backwards and put the head from behind. Put it in, then do the front legs, bring the legs up, put the fur in, put it through the holes, the leg holes. Easier to do it when the dog is on the back like this, and then take the back legs, pull them up, all the way up, put them under the fur, pull them through the legs, the fur, and then pull through the feet, and then just move the legs over. Alrighty, so the next step is going to be the eyes and the nose, because we need to find it. Make sure it's all sitting tight, and make sure you zip it up. You button this up. Okay, dokie. Now we need to make sure that the face is sitting tight correctly and everything fits right. We will need a screwdriver, something sharp. Let's come down, separate the head hair from the hair on the muzzle. Okay. Find the stop. The stop is right here. Here's the stop. From the stop, we will be able to find the eye holes. And the eyes look like this. We do need to make the hole in the fur. First thing first, we need to find where that hole is. This right here. Then we want to make a hole in the fur. Here you go. The hole is made. Now we need an eyeball. This is how it looks, assembled, brushed out, ready for you to create your masterpiece. Okay, so here's the tail hole. Oh, I'm just gonna put it in. The tail itself needs to be brushed out as well. And it just goes over like this. And the brush is still there. This is how the assembled model dog looks like. It's brushed out. It's ready for you to create your masterpiece. This one is a bichon style. Ready for you to create your bichon. Thank you for watching. That was Digital Decoder with Left Jean.